G'day, my name's Mark, and this is me telling you that I'm going to make the John Hines twin screw vise with a laser, and I'm going to prove Master Yoda was wrong. So I used all the plans to get the measurements I needed to get them into Lightburn and create all the templates so I could laser them on the Ortur Laser Master 3. I'll be using 3mm ply for the entire project. However, because the cut area is 400 by 400mm, what I've done is turned all my pieces diagonally to allow me to get more lasered in every cut. The Ortur Laser Master 3 is very easy to set up and get yourself laserizationing. Quick smart. I like to use the framing option in the software. Throw your piece of ply on, roughly get it into position, hit cut. It's that easy. No need to muck around with coordinates. Just get in, get started. I'm getting most templates cut in about a 10 to 15 minute average. Air Assist has made a huge difference to the cut results. How cool are wooden cogs? I was laughing like a big hairy spider when I realised I don't need a bandsaw. This complex layer took about 50 minutes to complete, and that is what I love about lasers. It is working in the background while you are doing something way more fun. Now this vise is looking a little bit woody. Freddie, what are we going to do to make this thing look a little less woody? Don't walk away. What do you reckon? Did you say woody? G'day, Pete and Woody. Lol. Would you happen to have any more of the good stuff lying around your shop, mate? Cheers. Why did he send me a vacuum? Thank you, Pete and Woody. So go and say g'day to Pete and Woody at Common Wood Co. He makes some amazing furniture. He's down in Sydney. Check him out on Instagram. Check out Woody. He will put a smile on your dial. So the plan now is to flash up some broken skateboard veneer to bling the shizzle out of this vise. I don't have a bandsaw anymore. I also want the spindle to be broken skateboards, and I'll get to have a little play on the lathe. So the next cool bit about lasers in the woodshop is solving all the techo bits and pieces, take a few measurements, test cuts and refine. Voila, you're an engineer. The original plan was just to make one template per piece and then use the router table to cut the rest layer by layer. The laser was going so well, I thought, why don't I just cut them all? All 30 layers. I think 30, and then that would really let me test this machine right out. With all the templates now lasered, I just had to finish off one side of the layer, and then you could clean up everything else with the table saw. And by the way, the table saw is back in action. And then you guessed it, we glue all the layers together. It is a beautiful thing. So, the Ortur Laser Master 3 can cut, but can it engrave? Yes, yes it can. And it is fast. Light speed fast.
Wrong, you do, boss. Try, you must. Check square, you will.
Did you just use the Yoda voice as well? You did, didn't you? I received this little safety magnet from Mr. Phil Shimby. Now you can buy these on his website, but you can also download the graphic so you can make your own little finger soup safety sign in your shop. And in my efforts to invert the colours of the safety graphic, I managed to crispy up Phil's head. Sorry, mate. Lasers can make you monies. Like this cup. Handmade, Lyons Woodturning by Angus and Patricia. Link down there.
I heard you're looking for some things to make for your Ortur laser. You download it, you cut these on your Ortur Laser, 15-20 minutes, and you've got cool designs like this, and you can sell them. Or your subscribers will like this if they've got the Ortur Laser, because they'll be able to batch these out. Right, happy Halloween!
And just a quick word of warning. Once your mates know you've got a laser, they're all going to want something engraved. Or more cool stuff to sell. Check this out. It is the integration of automated woodworking with woodworking. One of the biggest features of this machine is the Wi-Fi enabled functionality, combined with the Laser Explorer app. It's got very basic tools, however you can see the possibilities. I could not test this properly as I've got no Wi-Fi in the shed. Okay, so my thoughts on this machine as an enhancement to the woodworking backyard bandit arena. It is a massive yeah. As I approach the end of this project, I'm getting more and more excited about the possibilities. And if you like me and struggle with the finesse of fine details, fear no more, this thing is going to take care of business. The Ortur Laser Master 3 comes with 7 key safety features, including the on-off lock key, the emergency stop button, and tilt protection. It also comes with these sexy glasses. The Ortur Laser Master 3 is a 10-watt laser. It is capable of speeds up to 20,000 millimeters per second, and they have improved engraving efficiency by 100%. Now, if you are thinking of purchasing a laser, please do your own research, watch heaps of videos, and when you've done that, you can come back here, find my link, and help me out. So I've had a massive tragedy. Now this is the second attempt at this, so I had to make it thinner. Now this machine stopped halfway through the cut. The heat was bowing this plywood a little bit, and in that process, I've bumped it out of whack, as you can see here. So if I can get this out, we'll be on a winner. If not, it's a massive fail for the coolest part. Okay, I managed to get this out. One good cog, another one cracked. I'm fixing that up. Hopefully I can get 3 more skateboard cogs out of the scraps. So I just salvaged another cog out of the original thickness, cranked up the power, slowed it down. That's fine for small pieces. If I had done that originally, it probably would have been like a 2-hour cut, which is a bit excessive, if you ask me. Now, I do actually have one small regret building this vise right now. Now, when I built my workbench, it was my big project, and I sort of treated it like my self-apprenticeship 4th year project. I had it on the go over a long period of time, just doing bits here and there, learning new skills, and that was going to be the case with this twin screw vise, doing something small and intricate. However, because I took on this project and decided to build it for this laser video, I had a very restricted time frame, so I very much moved at a pace that I didn't really want to do. The project has turned out pretty cool in the end, but doing something like this, I really should have taken my time and really enjoyed the entire process rather than freaking out to try and get it done in the last few days. Still, we got there. So my piece of acrylic hasn't turned up in the mail, so I've just had to use some scraps just to hold the cogs down for now. I need to get it made properly, otherwise all the dust is going to end up in here and it's all going to be a big shit fight pretty quickly. The John Hines twin screw vise laser cut with the Ortur Laser Master 3. How cool is that? If you agree, let me know in the comments down below and use the word inspirational in your comment. Let's see if that helps me and the channel. Thanks very much for watching or binging. Here's the next video. Catch you later.